Okay, this is just a short clip showing how on a Discovery 4 you can remove some of the fuel from the tank if you've got too much, if you need, for instance, to replace fuel senders. I've got approximately 70 litres in the tank at the minute, so I'm looking to withdraw that. So the way I'm going about it, it's a Discovery 4 3 litre diesel. If I flip the camera you'll be able to see the engine bay, and I'll talk through what I'm doing at the moment. So the engine cover's been removed. Here we have a Schrader valve that can be used for bleeding air out of the system when the system's been primed, so as not to spoil the high pressure fuel pump. As you can see at the minute, there's the Schrader valve has been removed with a tool that you would use for on tyres, for instance, and some PTFE tape placed around the valve, and some I think it's 8mm internal diameter hose, which is currently got diesel running through it, and it's got a nice flow, a steady flow into the jerry can. So I've got some control over that. As I say, I'm not going to run it absolutely dry because I don't want to ruin the low pressure pump in the fuel tank by doing that, but by using the jerry cans, I know I've got about 70 litres. I'm going to take 60 litres out of it, and then I'll deal with the rest at the tank when I come to drop the tank. How am I doing the pumping? Well, the low pressure pump is running on this particular model. It's the second relay back. I've rigged the connectors with a jumper cable between pins 3 and 5, and as you can see, I've got the battery charger on, giving me approximately 4 or 5 amps into the battery. That'll keep the battery topped up whilst it's doing it, so I've got some control over keeping things going, and that's essentially how I'm going to siphon this fuel off. It prevents any issues with the anti-siphon valve in the tank and trying to do it that way, or getting underneath and messing around with hoses. Just thought it would be useful to share. Okay.